Alright, Scary Company 38 Bizarre Bug.
Genevieve Mary is taking a video of her daughter when something downright creepy is caught on camera. Genevieve writes, "Heard my daughter talking to someone, so I called her over and asked who, but I didn't notice it until after watching it. Only her and I were home. This is what she caught. Pay close attention to the background or you'll miss it."
Ugh.
Lorelei, come here. Lorelei, who are you playing with? What are you doing?
What?
Bro, I don't know what that would be. I mean, that's too big to be her shadow.
There appears to be
That's a ghost baby.
someone
Or a ghost demon baby.
or something walking with Genevieve's daughter. This footage was taken in 2016, and it wasn't until recently that Genevieve had noticed this. Needless to say, she was left
How do you not notice that? How do you not notice that?
disturbed by the footage. Now, it could be that the apparition is actually her daughter's shadow, but if you look closely, it appears to be taller than her daughter.
That's what I was saying, dude. Like, it could be like a mirror, maybe, and it's just so dark you can't make out anything. Like, I don't know what's in that room.
There appears to be someone or something walking with
That still wouldn't make sense, though, dude. I don't know. That one's wild. That's actually really good.
Genevieve's daughter. This footage was taken in 2016, and it wasn't until recently that Genevieve had noticed this.
Is he going
Needless to
skeptic
say,
right here?
she was left disturbed by the footage. Now, it could be that the apparition is actually her daughter's shadow.
Oh, he already said that.
See the door in the background, but instead, our review of it is blocked as it passes by, acting like a solid figure, and it doesn't warp or bend against the door, which is something a shadow would do. Genevieve is certain that this isn't a shadow.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. That looks really good. Sometimes those look like ass, but that one's good. All right, that's
Gotchin
good.
and Yasuke are YouTubers who explore places that are said to be haunted. It was just recently that they went over to a hidden village
They got some aura.
where someone had a strange encounter. When this person came to this village on their own, they were met by an elderly couple who told them to go away. The strange thing about this encounter
All right, I just want to see the video, but I just want to see the
captures
video.
something disturbing on camera. Yasuke is by himself as Gotchin is somewhere else in the village when the following happens.
I wasn't really locked in on that. Let me. Oh, that just looks like editing. That don't even look like it matched with like the way it. Oh, that looks like editing. Like it don't even look like somebody's like below there. Yeesh. That one's pretty pathetic, I'm not gonna lie. That one's bad. Alright. Number 4.
The following video was submitted by Arthur Cruz, who writes, "A security guard who works at a mall was hearing noises coming from a stockroom inside a store. Apparently the store in question is haunted. He goes inside and sees this.
I don't think it would be his job to do that. Maybe I'm crazy though. Could they get triggered by light though? Like maybe these toys specifically? I feel like this is not scary. This is kind of silly. How long is that? Oh my god.
If you
Unnecessary.
Celia Santos had posted the following video on Facebook and states that something terrifying had
Another mall?
occurred at a mall in Brazil. The video was taken at 2:30 in the morning.
Oh gosh, a mall in Brazil. I feel like this is gonna be scary. Bro, you're just throwing the whole fucking camp. What are we doing? Of course she's not gonna be. No, this is stupid, dude. Of course she's not gonna be there right now. You took 30 minutes to walk your ass over there, and she was already on her way.
Other than the thought of this being a child who was accidentally locked inside.
I don't know. We're just in fairy tale land with that. I don't know. That's a stupid video of a lady going up an escalator.
Reddit user Poe had posted the following photo and states that his neighbor took the picture during the summer. He had taken a picture.
Oh my god, it's a photo. Jeez. That looks edited. And it could also just be the tree, and then this is the pareidolia situation, or it's been touched up to look more like a face. But I mean, this is the same as like the light coming through here, so I think this was messed with. Yeah, because that's probably just tree. Okay, very silly. Very silly, this whole one. This is below 50, so that's why.
Urban explorer visits an abandoned temple and encounters something terrifying. The building served as a temple for a secretive organization known as the Freemasons in 1985. Around the mid-2000s, the building was left behind for unknown reasons. Ever since then, the temple has been abandoned. However, the following
oh my god, dude, just show me the video.
Or you'll miss it.
Oh my god. Almost done. Dude, this better be decent.
A disembodied voice.
That was it? No, an audio thing?
Hey can be heard. Now, it could be that the supposed disembodied voice came from outside. So it's not certain if Christopher caught something unusual.
Yeah, so maybe don't put it in. Maybe don't put it in the thing.
Basement of the temple, he captures this.
It's really sad that they let this historical place fall apart like this. Damn, man, that's crazy.
I didn't see anybody.
There appears to be a dark figure entering a room and slowly fading away. Here's the enhanced version for a better view.
Just a black blob, dude. I mean, it might have been a squatter. They were being very quiet and not trying to scare him.
The squatter could have escaped. If nothing was inside, then who or what was this?
That's what I'm saying. Like, we don't know that it was a person. So if you knew it was, that would be scary. Just implying things again, as we do. Bizarre Bub. Anyway, that's gonna be. I'm gonna end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I definitely enjoyed streaming. Had some annoying Bizarre Bub videos today, but what's tomorrow? I may or may not be live tomorrow. No, I will be tomorrow night. So same time-ish, maybe earlier, because I'm already sleepy. All right.